I'm Robert Human, General Superintendent for Superior Steel. I'm over the field workers for Superior Steel out in the field. They established in 1976, and we do structural steel. We do a lot of industrial plants. We do a lot of schools, a lot of colleges. We're one of the top 10 steel erectors in the country. We fiber on steel, we erect it. If there's ever any issues on the job and need more material, we do a lot of metal decking, precast, some stuff up to 2 inches thick that we deal with. We own our own cranes and stuff to erect our steel, and our fab shop makes it. We got our own trucking. We do it all. Right now we got about 10 jobs going. Every job we do anymore, they want it done as soon as you get there. When we come on the job site, they usually want us there 5 to 7 days a week till we get the structure up for other trades to work. So we work on a pretty hard timeline. We're always looking out on the field. If we see something out here that we could change in our shop to make it more efficient for us out in the field, we just purchased 3 Big Blue 800 Duo Pros. We got them about 6 months ago. That saves you money on the job sites because you can use that welder for 2 welders. If you had a bunch of single welders, you cluster your job more. You got 1 welder, you can put it in the area and you have more people working off that area and stuff like that.
Very seldom is that machine ever out here running with 1 man working off one side of it. Cost-wise, you're spending less money in fuel. You've got 2 men running off 1 machine as to 1 man on a machine of his own. It pays for itself there with the fuel over years. Your fuel cost is cut, I won't say in half, but it is cut drastically.
We use them to run power off of them to do other things on the job site, run the power generators and stuff like that. A lot of these job sites you go to anymore, they ain't got power on the job site, so you got to supply your own power, and these welders come in handy because they've got their own generators.
Productivity. I mean, it increases the performance on the job. You can do the job faster with less equipment, and that's the end game, is to turn these projects over as fast as you can and move on to the next project.
They've always been a good machine since we started getting them. I think we got our first Miller, I'd say approximately about 10 years ago, and we've been getting them ever since. Everything that we've had about them, everybody's worked with them, so they're really nice machines.